Now, breaking this afternoon just hours ago, a Texas judge granting a woman's request for an emergency abortion because the baby is not viable. The Center for Reproductive Rights filed this lawsuit on behalf of a young mother challenging Texas's abortion ban after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Our Michelle Choi joining us live from the newsroom now. And Michelle, this is a historic ruling.
Yeah, Sherman, it is. This is the first time in 50 years since Roe versus Wade was decided that a judge has intervened to allow a woman here in Texas to terminate her pregnancy. That hearing was held virtually in Travis County just after 9 this morning and lasted about 45 minutes. We weren't allowed to record the hearing, but we watched, and I can tell you, moments after the judge handed down that temporary restraining order, 31-year-old Kate Cox, who is from Dallas, was overcome with emotion and burst into tears. Now, this decision comes just days after the Center for Reproductive Rights filed an emergency lawsuit on behalf of Cox and her Houston physician. Cox is 20 weeks pregnant. She and her husband came to the tough decision to abort the pregnancy after her doctor said the fetus won't survive and continuing the pregnancy would pose a risk to her health and future fertility. The couple have 2 children but want more kids. Shortly after the ruling, which will also protect the couple's doctor from any civil and criminal penalties if she performs the procedure, the judge said to the couple, quote, "The idea that Ms. Cox wants desperately to be a parent and this law might actually cause her to lose that ability is shocking and would be a genuine miscarriage of justice." As for what could come next, well, the Office of the Texas Attorney General, which challenged Cox's claims at this morning's hearing, may try to ask a higher court to intervene and overturn the emergency